Hi guys, good morning. It's coming up to midday here in London, Wednesday 11th of March. We'll have a quick look over the markets and some levels to be aware of. The story of the day so far, Bank of England surprise cut, 50 basis point around 7 a.m. Caught the market by surprise. Arguments that this perhaps was already expected by some as the cable or pound against many pairs came down over 200 pips yesterday. So this surprise cut extended those losses only to be reversed completely, and we're back trading now pretty much where we are. So that was in response to the economic shock of coronavirus, according to Mark Carney and the MPC. So that's been factored in. We've got the ECB tomorrow to keep an eye on. We've got Merkel currently saying she will do whatever it takes in line with the ECB. So heads on for that meeting tomorrow is to the ground as well, especially after this surprise cut from the Bank of England. The coronavirus cases in the US have picked up. Italy's now also above 10,000. So it seems like yesterday was a day where we had that rally in the morning on the stimulus package from Trump. That was then not confirmed to be ready. That came down, and now is a day where perhaps coronavirus is the main story once again, and that's perhaps now just starting to weigh on stocks a bit. We're just pushing lower. We're down 78 points on the S&P here, so a couple of levels to keep an eye on. Yesterday we had this 27.28 level, which is just incredibly important. So for me, to the downside, it's all about that level. If I just bring this in, you can see back here in June 2019, March 2019, if we can get back below there, where this market might have a few more legs to the downside. If we just put this in perspective, you can just see how important that level is. We're currently give or take 60 points above that, but just hitting a bit of support that we had earlier in this morning. So as we've got the cash open, what's that, an hour and a half away from now, it might be that break gives us a chance to then get lower. But for now, stocks holding up on these levels. Similar picture in the Dow here, you can see, and also the Nasdaq as well, although it has a bit more room to go to the downside. Elsewhere, oil has broken this trend line. Early trade this morning, a couple of comments out from Saudi Arabia, that has drifted down towards this pivot area. Can we get a break below there, $33, and then I'd be looking for some of these horizontal levels to come in, but at the moment oil just looking like it had turned a corner in early trade, only to be brought back to reality. We've been drifting down. If we go from that high of $36, we're now trading near 33. It's down $1.20 on the day, but the roller coaster ride for oil continues. Having a quick flick over to look at the calendar, a couple of bits out this morning, but as with the case right now, it's not really about data releases. It's going to be unscheduled, headline-driven market. Of course, though, the ECB tomorrow will be one to keep an eye on. That is put in for midday and 12:30. But on a day like today, let the headlines drive you, let price tell you, trade what you see and not what you think.